Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Stephanie. So if you are a returning subscriber, you will know what's happening right now. I love a good Moterm binder or planner or wallet, whatever you want to call them. I love them. They are leather, they are durable, and I'm kind of obsessed right now. So I did order another Moterm. So if you haven't seen what I have before, I will do a comparison in this video. So if you are trying to make up your mind on what Moterm would work best for you, then definitely this is the video. So right now I am currently in between a Moterm black croc, and this is what it looks like in the A7 size. And then I'm also using Moterm Hobonichi Weeks, and that's what it looks like. And this is in the pebbled leather. And currently I am going to be moving sort of in between this, and I'm using my Coach wallet. So I'm kind of jumping between both because I am on the go right now and I'm having to go visit my mom, and I like to have a small purse when I'm sort of out, but when I'm shopping and I need my planner, I need my list, then I will definitely carry my Moterm. So I'm going to show you guys what this looks like and explain to you how to order. I will link it all down below and basically, see if this will work for you in your lifestyle. So I just received this, so let's unbox it together. So it does come in this box, and this box is my jam. I love black and gold aesthetic. As you could see clearly by my other two Moterms, I like the color pattern. So this is what it looks like. It comes in this box, and then inside you get your Moterm in this beautiful sort of faux suede pouch with the little ties. So I mean, it is a great kind of 2-for-1. You can definitely use these pouches for something else. If you want to carry your planner stickers or other accessories in here, this would even be great to take some of your pens that you want to carry on the go and stick them in there as well. So let's look at what it looks like. So I did order this. This is the A7, and it has regular rings. To me, it looks like a 19-inch rings, which I will be changing out. So this one is in the pebbled taupe. This is their Moterm, as I said, A7, and this is what it looks like inside. So you do get a fly leaf, and your fly leaf is not like the deluxe. So the deluxe cover that you get with your other Moterm, let me show you. So this is what it looks like when you order sort of the deluxe A7. As you can see, they are considerably bigger. These are actually smaller rings that I put in here. These are 25 millimeter. So what it actually originally came with was a silver hardware. And with the silver hardware, those were 30 millimeter rings. So you can go up in size when you do have this deluxe. And as you can see, it can house a lot more. So I ended up picking up this one because I have been using my Coach wallet, but I definitely miss having my planner. So I thought I would order this because it is considerably smaller, as you can see. And this hopefully will fit in a smaller purse and not as big in terms of the ring size that I chose for this one. So kind of for the rest of fall, I thought this color, this is taupe, and it comes in like a burnt sort of orange, and I believe they had a navy. They have it in sort of like an off-white color, a lot of beautiful colors to choose from. So I went with the taupe. I thought this would be nice going into the fall season. And what I was explaining was with this fly leaf, it is very basic fly leaf, so you don't have a pen loop. So in here, you do have your pen loop, you do have your card slots here, but you are limited in terms of your card slots. So you have 3, and then you have 6 here, as opposed to with this deluxe, and this is in black croc. And if you're interested, I do have a video on this particular planner, the unboxing and more details, so you could definitely check that out. So in here, as you can see, because I'm kind of going back and forth, that in here you have on your flyleaf, you have 3 card slots here, as well as you have 3 at the front, plus another additional pocket here, along with you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as opposed to only 3 in here. So you have, so total, you have 5, there's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and possibly 12. You could stick another card here, like your license or something like that, in this particular slot here. So definitely there is a difference between the two. They are, this one is a lot more compact, you know, a lot smaller rings. So going up to a 30mm rings would not probably be possible in this one. Or you know what, you might be able to, because it is leather and it should stretch, but I wouldn't push it, because as you can see, this one gives you the option to go down in size. So if I have a 30mm rings in here and I feel like it's getting a little too chunky, I can use a closer clasp there. But this one, you don't have that option, as you can see, because you only have one. So moving into 30mm rings probably won't work in this particular Moterm. So that is the difference between the two. You do get some lined paper. So this paper is just like, you would have to kind of put little, I'm a decorative planner, so I love having like little check boxes or something like that. Dollar store carries like little check boxes, stuff like that as well. I should say stickers that you could put on here if you want to use this more as a checklist, or just, you know, write down your list for the store and then check them off as you go along. So definitely for me, when it comes to, you know, these two planners, they are very different in terms of the versatility. If you are going to kind of go with one that would be able to carry sort of everything, if you have a lot of cards, you're looking for a planner and everything to carry, then I would choose this. If you're looking for something a little bit more compact, I mainly use this for my cash wallet, my lists. I will plan in here sort of appointments, so that way if I'm out and I want to schedule an appointment, I don't need to jump in my phone. I can go in here, write it down, and I have it on the go. But I will have to downsize quite a bit based on the rings that I have. So I'm going to show you guys how to change out the rings in here. So I do have, so initially I had changed out the rings in this Moterm, and I changed them to 19mm, but because it was becoming a chunky girl, I ended up needing to upgrade to 25mm. So all you're gonna need is a flathead screwdriver. This one's kind of small. I should have picked a bigger one, but it should do the job because it's not very hard to come out. So you're just gonna remove the first, like the first little screw. And the backing is going to obviously be in silver, but you won't see that once your rings are in. So Moterm does carry extra rings, so you can choose from a lot of different colors. So I just want to hold this so it doesn't break. And these are some 2-color options that I had ordered. I am so conflicted. I mean, this rose gold is very pretty, but I think this would look better on like a black. I would probably put this in my black croc. And then I do have a set of gold, so I think, if you know me, I love my aesthetic. I love gold. So I think I'm going to stick with the gold rings. And it comes with 2 little stoppers or rings. You won't need both sides. So I'm just going to take this out. So basically, if you were going to start from scratch, you would need both sides. But because this is how it comes, you don't need to have it attached at the bottom. This is great if you are moving sort of all your hardware out of here, but I don't need to do that because, as I said, you will not see it. So I just unscrew it here. And I'm just going to put this one in here like this. And it does scratch very easy, so definitely take your time, and, you know, you don't want to have your screwdriver, you know, kind of wiggling all over the place like I'm doing, clearly. And this is why it was better if I had a bigger screwdriver, right? So don't do it like me. Get a bigger screwdriver. That way you don't scratch your hardware. So as I said, it's quite easy to change out. And I do love having the gold rings instead of the silver. And you just want to be careful. You don't want to over tighten it either. I'm just going to drop that in first. And then do this so I can hold it in place. So it's quite easy. You're seeing it in real time. It doesn't take long to do. And definitely, if you're interested, I will try to... I'd ordered these rings the last time I'd ordered the other Moterm, but I definitely will link down below the link for these rings, like, so you can change it out if you're interested. And let's open this. You know what? I don't like using these mechanical pulls because I find that it wears it out and it becomes kind of loose. So I usually just kind of grab a middle ring and I open it that way. And then I'm just going to stick this fly leaf in here. And then I can close it. So let's see. Yeah, so that's the way it would go. And that is your planner all set up. I love it because you have your zip here for your change. And it is sort of like a wipeable material. So, you know, if you put something, any coins in there, it gets a little sticky. You can definitely probably take a baby wipe or, you know, like a Clorox wipe or something like that and wipe it out. And then it is a leather material. So I know this will start to probably change, you know, once it's rubbing against other materials. So I do have some leather cleaner that I do have from Coach. So I will probably keep you guys updated on the wear and tear on this and sort of do maybe a few months update and if there's a lot of color transfer or how it's holding up. And then lastly, you do have a pocket here. You have a pocket here as well. And then you do have your large bill, or I would put coupons in here, or if I have any receipts that I want to carry or anything like that, then definitely you can use this nice big compartment. So as I said, in terms of the two planners, this is the size in comparison. This planner is definitely about the same height. I have something here, so let's take that off. So in terms of height, they are the same height. But as you can see, in terms of width, the black one is quite thick. And it is a little bit wider because it is the deluxe, or luxe, I should say. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Definitely, if you haven't checked out my other Moterm unboxings, I do have a playlist of my planners and unboxings, so check that out. And I will link the videos as well in the iCard, so check that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave it down below. And I'll see you guys in me setting this up to use it for fall. You guys take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.